Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing an update to my personal PC. I got sent over to review a lian-li O11 Dynamic Razer Edition as well as an ASUS B550-F Motherboard. And like always, I'm going to grab my handy dandy iFixit kit. They are not currently a sponsor of this video. However, if you build PCs, I definitely recommend iFixit for your needs. So my personal PC, I actually have an NZXT H510i. It's been a good case, however, one of the biggest downfalls is definitely airflow. You're really only going to get airflow from the right-hand side. I feel like the lian-li is going to have a little more options as far as airflow goes, and I've definitely noticed a performance as far as temperature goes. I'm also upgrading from the MSI B450 to the ASUS ROG Strix B550. So when I want to upgrade from my Ryzen 7 1700X to the new Ryzen 5000 processor, it's going to be really easy and plug and play. So other than the case and motherboard, I'm going to be transplanting everything from an NZXT case into the new lian-li. I'm using my Ryzen 7 1700X processor, my TeamForce 32 gigs of 3000 megahertz RGB RAM, my 1 terabyte Crucial SSD, as well as my Radeon 5500 XT. The current monitor that I'm using is a 34-inch ultra-wide that's 60 Hz and 1080p, so I'm not going to really need anything more than this. As well as a 5500 XT, which I paid about $200 for, and they're currently going for around $400+ on eBay. So definitely I would wait to see if you can get a better deal on this graphics card. But for now, enjoy the rest of the build. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section below. And like always, make sure to like and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so it'll let you know when I upload new videos. Alright, thanks guys, and I'll check you in the next video.